Today I'm going to show you a few basics in After Effects. I'm going to show you the tools, where to find the effects and presets, and how to cut, trim clips. So let's start. So before you start editing, you want your clip. You can find your clips on YouTube, good quality scene packs, or you can find them in the movie itself. If you take the movie 4K, you can cut the clips from the movie itself. Then you have your complete movie to take your scenes from. So let's start with importing the clip. First you go to File, then you go to Import File. So this is my clip of Invincible, and you click on Import. So what you're gonna do is drag your clip to a new composition, and this is your clip. So what you're gonna do now is select your composition setting. So go to Compositions, Composition Settings, and you choose your scale of your edit. So go to Preset and choose your scale. I'm gonna go for this one, 1080, 1440. This is the ratio, and select OK. You can choose your own settings. So this is what you're gonna have now, and you can see your clip is smaller because your scale is different. So what you're gonna do now is zoom in, so you can change your scale with pressing S. On your clip, you can change your scale. You can align it how you want to. To cut your clip, you can just press Ctrl Up D on your keyboard and you cut your clip. You can also delete your clip as just delete. Let's say you want to make your edits shorter. You see here, this is your time. Just copy it, then OK. Go back to your composition settings, and you can change your time here, and now this is your time. If you want to make your edits smoother, you can see here, this is frame blending. You press twice and you have this, and you have your motion blur. This makes your edits smoother. You can do with all your clips, even your text. You can add motion blur to make your edits smoother. So this is cutting clips, but also important is to precompose them. How do you precompose them? Right click on your clip, then go to precompose and select this options, always these options, and then press OK. What you are gonna have is a precomposed clip. It's also better for transitions, animations. What also important is your properties of your clip. These are the scale, the position, the opacity. You can also change the opacity, or you can press T on your keyboard and also can change the opacity. What's also important is the audio. You can also deactivate and activate your audio, and the effects and presets is also very important. What's cool about After Effects, you also have free animation presets. Not everyone knows that, but you have presets already in your After Effects, your basic After Effects. You have images, shapes, sound effects, text, transform, and transitions. You have a lot of transitions, movements, zoom in, slides. There is a ton of you can use. What's also important is this is a toolbox you have shapes, pencil, your texts. You can type in texts, invincible, and you can align it here. You can change the color of your text here. You can change the size, you can change the font. The font is easy to find on the internet. I'm gonna put the link in the description so you can find a ton of fonts you can choose from. But I'm also gonna show you as how to add animations. So go back to this and go to effects and presets, and here you have your presets, but I'm gonna show you a zoom in preset. So if you type in transform and drag it to your clip, you see this is a scale. It's a free presets, so you don't have to buy anything or download anything. Then click on clock, press U. You see this is a keyframe. Go a few frames forward and let's add 30. And what you can see is the clip is zoomed in. If you select your keyframes and press F9, you're gonna ease them, so that's gonna make it even smoother. Your animation is gonna be a lot smoother. If you click here on your graph editor, you can change your keyframes how you prefer. You can play with it, and this is gonna make your animations even smoother. For your text, it's the same thing. You can find them also in your free presets already in After Effects. You go to presets, text and animate in, and you can choose from, let's say, fade up words, drag it to your clip, and what you're gonna see, it fade ups. Press U on your keyboard and you see also your keyframes. This is very important in After Effects. Press F9 again and you can play with it. You can make it shorter, you can make it bigger. If you're not happy with your animation, you can also change, fade up characters, and it will fade up the characters. You can also add glow. This is all extra, but the pure basics is this. You can also save your preset. If you press U and you select both your keyframes, go to animations, save animation preset. You can save it in your presets. You can find them in your user presets. Let's say you want to duplicate your text, even your clips. You can press on your clip or your text and press Ctrl D, and this will duplicate your clip. This is also a very important shortcut in After Effects. The more you edit, the more you will get used to it. So this is the pure basics in After Effects. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you'd like to see more, please leave a like or a comment below. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Goodbye.